Well, this is a huge module. This is the big one. We're going to touch roles after this, but before we dive into the roles, this is essentially the batch of videos that will take you through all the key terms when it comes to understanding the roles. I could have done the roles first and then done this second, but actually it works either way. You need to understand some of the big terminology, and this set of lessons will really tell you all about the terms coming up on CVs. So when it comes to big data, IT systems are typically split into two broad types. They are essentially to do with gathering the data and then doing something with the data. In BI terms, these processes are known as OLTP and OLAP. You've heard of these. It's helpful to think of this OLTP as capturing data and OLAP as analyzing the data. So OLTP, online transactional processing, is the term given to the way we capture transactions really fast, very often in real time. So OLTP is to do with capturing the data. This really happens at the user end or the data entry end. Now, these are day-to-day raw transactions. They aren't of much use to management in this raw form. So think of a standard 2D table with loads of numbers within a table. They're not really that effective for anyone. It's business intelligence, but it's kind of real-time business intelligence, and it's often more simple and raw in its nature. OLAP, on the other hand, the data is extracted from the OLTP system and then digested and structured into meaningful forms. So, online analytical processing. It presents data as multi-dimensional landscapes which you can look into, explore, and understand. This results in those famous business intelligence 3D cubes, which we'll go into. This is business intelligence, but by its very nature is less real-time. It's more structured, it's more nuanced and sophisticated. It's derived from real-time data, but it's had a lot done to it before we can get to this form.